I think our first community was really designed as a for sale community that just happened to be rented. Since then, we've learned some of the nuances that make the difference between the two. It's not just as simple as floor plan design. A lot of it is the community design itself, whether it's amenities or parking or just how the different units interact with each other. And so we really focused more on the placemaking.
Our designs continue to evolve and learning from the past projects. The evolution has also been influenced by getting feedback from the residents that live there. So we're getting real-time feedback on what residents like to see, what they don't like, and this is influencing quite a bit of the internal and external portions of our built-to-rent communities.
When we first started, a lot of the communities were driven by density. It was also driven by parking. So as you came in, you saw really no front doors, you saw an amenity space, but all you saw was a sea of parking around it, cars parked everywhere. And now we're trying to change that up. And plans are now being driven by putting the front door in your face so you can see everything that's going on. It gives a sense of welcoming to the community. And then we're trying to hide the cars.
Over time, more variety of typologies introduced. In some of those early days, it was sort of a plug and play approach. You build one typology everywhere. It's sort of your bread and butter. But that isn't quite as responsive enough to local markets. And of course, as the built-to-rent space has become more competitive, there's been a little bit more of a keen eye on, hey, we can't just build the same thing over and over again. We need to do something to differentiate that. So that could be the amenities, that could be plate heights, so taller ceilings. The way these spaces feel may not be apparent to the resident, but these are something I'd say by and large the built-to-rent community is focused on. The mentality maybe early on was build it and they will come. That's proving not to be the right solution. There's more emphasis on design because that certainly has an impact on how this place, the community, the home might feel.